Tropical hibiscus. Makes one think of Hawaii, southern Florida, southern California even, but not Modesto, California. Hi, my name is Jeff. Welcome to my tropical garden. We're going to do a quick video. I had a couple viewers ask me about my hibiscus and how I grow hibiscus in Central California. Well, there is a little bit of a knack to get them started in that they are a little sensitive to cold. They are a little bit sensitive to extreme sun when you put them up against the south side of a building, but if you plant them right, they do just fine. If you like these type of videos, click the subscribe button, hit the like. If you have any comments, leave them below. So let's take a look at this one. This one's a standard red hibiscus. As you can see, beautiful, very healthy. Our weathers are cooling. Here we are in October and they're starting to push out lots of flowers. I think due to some water deficits they may have had during the summer, maybe the extreme heat, they were a little bit, you can see these are doing really good. Let's come over here real quick across the other side of my front yard to the pink hibiscus. It's a beauty too. I have had this thing completely covered with flowers before by using a 0-10-10 fertilizer in addition to the regular balanced fertilizer that I use. The key to growing this is that you, in our climate where we get sometimes down to 25 will kill a young plant. What you want to do is you want to plant it underneath the overhang. I've had frost damage. This plant right here is pruned back regularly, but when it when it gets below say 26 degrees, 27 degrees, anything that's below the edge of my roof, the overhang, will get frosted, and everything that's under the overhang doesn't. So the idea is to have some sort of overhang, some sort of canopy or whatnot. That way to protect the young plant. Once it gets big like this and they're bushy, they don't really get that much damage, maybe a little leaf burn. And then we got one over here. I think this was supposed to be a pink, but for some reason it's turning out red. Take a look how beautiful these things are. Once again, I have it. This is on the south side of my building, underneath the roof overhang. I apologize for the street noise, but unfortunately we live in a neighborhood where a lot of people are moving around a lot. So, my name is Jeff. If you get anything from these videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button, the like button. Any comments, leave them below. You have a good day.